Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money online.
Here's how it works: you sign up to become an affiliate for a company, which means you promote their products or services on your website, social media channels, or other online platforms.
When someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission on that sale.
The commission rate varies by company, but it's usually a percentage of the sale price.
One of the great things about affiliate marketing is that you don't have to create your own products or deal with customer service. You simply promote products you believe in and earn money when people buy them through your link. To get started with affiliate marketing, find companies that offer affiliate programs in your niche.
Then, sign up and start promoting their products to your audience. As your audience grows and your marketing skills improve, you can earn more money through affiliate marketing. So, that's the basics of affiliate marketing.
Give it a try and see how it can help you earn money online.